Hello, Ken. Wow, we have a problem here. Let's work on it together. The question is to convert 65% to a simple fraction and a decimal. Well, we first need to know that percent means per 100. So here, co-friends, since we have the problem 65%, then we write it down as 65%, which is the same as 65/100. So here, percent means per 100, okay. Now we have found the fraction. The fraction is 65/100. Let's convert it to the simplest fraction, Ken. The way to do it is by dividing the numerator and denominator by their GCD. Now, we must first understand that in fractions, there are what we call the numerator and denominator. So in this problem, we get the fraction 65/100. 65 is the numerator and 100 is the denominator. We will find the GCD. GCD stands for greatest common divisor. We can find the GCD using many methods, co-friends, factor trees, tables, and others. Here we will find the GCD using the table method. So here we will start by writing down the numbers we want to find, the GCD for, which are 65 and 100. Then we divide by prime numbers, starting from the smallest. Can 65 be divided by 2? Oh, it cannot. Let's check the other one. Can 100 be divided by 2? Wow, it can. So we input 2. Because 65 cannot be divided by 2, we just keep it as 65. Then 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Now, since the prime number 2 cannot divide both 65 and 100, we don't need to mark it. Can? Now we continue. Here we will divide 65 and 50 by a prime number again. Let's try with the smallest prime number 2. Wow, only 50 can be divided by 2. So here, 65 remains, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now, because it couldn't divide both, we don't need to mark it either. Now we will try for 65 and 25. Wow, neither of these can be divided by 2 or 3, co-friends. So we will divide by the prime number 5. 65 divided by 5 is 13. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Because this could divide both, co-friends, we mark it. We will just give it a mark like this. Now let's look. 13 and 5 are prime numbers. We will divide by the prime number 5 first. This will become 13. 5 divided by 5 is... Now, because it couldn't divide both, we don't need to mark it. Wait, here is 13, here is 1, here is 1. We have already reached 1, so we can determine the GCD. The GCD is the product of the prime numbers we have marked. Well, because only 1 is marked here, the GCD is 5. So here we will divide by 5. Divide by 5 here, divide by 5 here. 65, 5 is 13, 105 is 20. This is the simplest fraction, co-fin. Now we will determine the decimal. To find a decimal, we must divide the numerator by the denominator. So here we will use the numerator and denominator, which is 65. 65 divided by 100. What could it be? We will use long division. Here is 65 divided by 100. That won't work, co-friend. So we will borrow a 0. Since we borrowed a 0, it becomes 0 point something. Now let's calculate 650, 100. Well, that doesn't fit exactly. So we look for the closest value, which is 6. So 6 times 100 is 600. We subtract here to get 50. Well, it can't be divided because 50 is smaller than 100. So we borrow another 0. We already used the decimal point, so we don't need to add it again. So here 500 divided by 100 results in 5. So here 5 times 100 is 500. We subtract 500 from 500 to get 0. So we have no remainder. Here. So the decimal is 0.65. Hooray, we have found both answers. Turns out it was quite easy to do together. Keep up the spirit, co-friend. See you in the next problem.